Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. Just this last Saturday, there was a back-to-school cookout taking place in Titusville, Florida, where kids were around. It was a beautiful day. They were having a cookout and celebrating going back to school. It looked like they were exchanging school supplies and getting prepared for the school year. Meanwhile, there was a fight that took place, and one guy left. They said he came back at 5:20 p.m. and started open firing on the crowd. At that moment, there was a good guy with a gun who had a CCW license, drew his gun, and ended the situation immediately. The only one injured in this entire situation was the violent gunman who started shooting into the crowd. And he had to be airlifted to a hospital and is currently fighting for his life. Now, this is a successful situation with a good guy with a gun. And this is what happens all the time. And what is also echoed so many times is that people say it could have been so much worse. There was nobody injured. Now, I counted a total of 12 shots taken. And there was the first shot and then a several sequence of shots after that. I have to believe that after the first shot was taken, the armed citizen drew his gun, and the majority of those shots were his as he took down the violent madman with a gun. But it could have been so much worse, is what people were saying. So here we have a case where, once again, a good guy with a gun saves the day. He saved lives, he saved injuries, and it encourages the rest of us that when we walk out our door with a gun, wherever we are carrying it, we are absolutely doing the right thing, because we never know when we will be in that situation where a madman shows up with violent intentions and we end that situation. Once again, they say it could have been much worse, and they're saying that guy was a hero. And that hero one day could be you. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.